Hiccup cure you need. You've been stopping hiccups wrong your whole life. Drinking water upside down actually ends them faster than any other trick out there. Forget holding your breath or swallowing spoonfuls of sugar. Science shows that flipping your drinking method is a game changer. When you sip water from the far side of the glass, you force your diaphragm and throat muscles to coordinate in a brand new way. This sudden shift interrupts the spasms causing hiccups, resetting your body's rhythm almost instantly. People have tried every remedy in the book, but nothing matches the speed of this weird, upside-down gulp. It's so effective, doctors sometimes recommend it before anything else. Next time you're stuck with unstoppable hiccups, grab a glass, lean forward, and drink from the opposite rim. It feels odd, but you'll be hiccup-free before you know it. No breath holding or sugar required.